In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple currencies in Shopify. Being able to sell in different currencies is a great way to make your store more accessible to international customers. And Shopify makes this fairly straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through each step and you can follow along in your own dashboard. Start by going to your Shopify admin dashboard and logging into your store. From here, look at the left-hand side menu. You're going to click on the section labeled Markets. This is where Shopify groups countries and regions, so you can manage things like currencies, pricing, and localization all in one place. Once you're on the markets page, you'll see any existing markets you already have. To set up a new one with its own currencies, click on Create Market. This will open a new screen where you can define the details for this market. At the top, you'll see a field where you can type in the name of your market. Pick something that clearly describes the region, like Europe, North America, or a specific country name. This name is just for your internal organization, so choose something that will make sense to you later. Below that, click on Add Condition. This is where you choose which country or countries will belong to this market. In the search bar that appears, start typing the name of the country you want to include. When it shows up in the results, click the small white box next to the country name to select it. You can repeat this to add multiple countries to the same market if that's how you want to structure things. When you're done selecting the countries, click Done. Now, in the Customize section for this new market, you should see that Shopify has automatically assigned a default currency based on the countries you added. If you want to offer additional currencies within this market, look for the Currency row under the Customize settings. On the right-hand side, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus icon to add more currencies. Depending on your payment setup, you'll see a list of supported currencies you can enable. If you're not seeing many options, it usually means you still need to finish setting up Shopify Payments or your payment processes. Once you've chosen the currencies you want to support for this market, scroll up or down until you find the Save button and click Save to apply all your changes. After saving, your new market and its currencies will be active, and customers in those countries will be able to browse and pay in the currencies you've enabled.